In this video, you will see the procedure for sedation using our Baldus Touch. When you turn on the device, it performs a self-test. In our main menu, you have two different ways to start. You can either start the sedation anonymously or by entering a patient ID. We will now begin by entering the patient's name, At the bottom right, you can see the treatment time. At the bottom left, you can see the date and time. At the top right, you can see the total flow. This means how many liters of gas mixture the device emits per minute. We can roughly determine the total flow based on the patient's height. In our example, let's assume the patient is 1,60 meters tall. This means we drop the 1 before the decimal point and set the total flow to 6 liters. Now we begin the sedation with 15 to 20% nitrous oxide. Throughout the entire sedation, the patient's vital signs must be monitored using our pulse oximeter. Now we can gradually increase the nitrous oxide concentration until sedation takes effect in the patient. Please always make sure during sedation that the breathing bag is filled with enough gas mixture. As you can see, you can administer a maximum of 70% nitrous oxide to the patient. This ensures that the patient is always supplied with enough oxygen. With our O2 flash function, you have the immediate ability to administer between 50 and 60 liters of pure oxygen per minute to the patient. After your treatment, you can end the sedation using the end sedation function. The patient immediately receives 100% oxygen at the total flow rate you have set. This elimination phase lasts 5 minutes.